Hey friends, today we are going to continue some more of our work with decoding and reading words with the following silent letter patterns. W, R, K, N, G, N, S, T, and M, B. Let's take a look at these 5 words. I'm going to review some of the sounds that these silent letters make. The first word that we have is sign. In the word sign, remember that the G and the N both work together to make the N sound, as in sign. The next word that we have is night. Go ahead and say that word with me. Night. What letter don't you hear in that word? If you said the K, then you were right. The K and the N both work together to make that N sound. Say this word with me. Comb. Comb. What letter is silent? B. The letter B is silent, therefore the pattern MB works together to make that M sound. Repeat the word whistle. Whistle. Which sound do you not hear? The H, because WH work together to make the W sound. Last one. Wrench. Say it with me. Wrench. Which letter do you not hear in the word wrench? Yes, the W. I do not hear the word I do not hear the sound wrench in, it doesn't say wrench, it just says wrench. So therefore, the W and the R both work together to make that R sound. Now, I would like you to take a sticky note or a sheet of paper, and you are going to number this paper 1 to 5. So if you need to pause this video to go and get a pen or a pencil and paper, go ahead and pause this video, and then when you are ready with your numbered paper 1 to 5, you may resume this video. All right, now that you have your paper labeled 1 through 5, what I am going to do is I am going to read you 5 words that have these patterns in them. W-R, K-N, G-N, S-T, and M-B. It is going to be your job to figure out how to spell words with these silent letter patterns. Ready? Number 1, wren. Wren. Which combination could you use? Wren. Listen to that N sound. N. Number 2, glisten. 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 Number 3, kneel. I will kneel down on the floor to pick up a piece of paper. Kneel. Number 4, design. I cannot wait to design my latest artwork. Design. And number 5, crumb. Crumb. My dogs always love if I drop a crumb on the floor. Ready to check your work? Let's see how you did. Number 1 was wren. W-R-E-N, where the W and R work together to make that R sound. 2 was glisten with S-T in the middle, that T being silent. The stars glisten in the night sky. 3, I kneel down to pick up a sheet of paper off of the floor. K and N both work together to make the N sound. 4. Design. D-E-S-I-G-N. Here, the G-N work together to make that N sound. And last but not least, number 5 was crumb. C-R-U-M-B, where the M and the B work together to make that M sound. You guys did a great job of spelling some words today. If you need some extra practice, you may go back, review this video, and work on some of the words with your learning guide. If not, you have 2 decodable readers today that I would like you to read and practice. Great job today!